represent a company called Restore Solutions. We're essentially a design company. We're a design company in the area of retail spaces, but our abiding passion is actually for brands. So when the organizers actually got in touch and said that they wanted somebody to speak on this business of identity and design and sort of positioning for private brands, I was quite excited that I would come here and share some of my thinking with you. What I'd like to do, I'd like to start off by telling you what I'm not going to be presenting today. What I'm not going to be doing is I'm not going to talk about the role that private brands have in retail. I'm not going to talk about how wonderful they are and how they contribute massively and stuff like that. I'm not even going to talk to you about a possible forecast of what the future of private brands is going to look like. I think Adrian did a fabulous job in trying to sort of set up this entire forum, the discussion on what the future is likely to be like. What I'm also not going to do, which Adrian did again fabulously, is to present any statistics of any sort. What I'm going to do instead is actually talk to you a lot about the softer stuff. I think I know my sort of description says positioning, identity, and design, but I'm not going to talk about any of those in this presentation. I'm going to talk about a way of thinking, and I think I don't know. I'm sure you must. It's not new, but I think it's new. I think it's a different way of looking at this entire business of private brands or whatever you would like to call them. So what I'm going to talk about primarily is what is that thing that goes into shaping the identity of private brands. But before I get into that, I want to quickly address the issue of terminology. I'm personally not very comfortable with the word private brands. I think it's environments that are private. Brands can never be private. Brands are always in the public domain. Brands belong to consumers and people who buy them, yeah, and use them. So what I'd instead try and use through this presentation is store brands or own brands, which is, I think, more sort of closer to the reality of the truth.